cooking channel. Today I'm gonna prepare for you some air fryer chicken. Air fried in my air fryer. It's a great and easy recipe. And also I'm gonna show you my favorite dish, side dish. I'm gonna show you my favorite side dish that I enjoy on the keto diet. So keep watching. I'm gonna cook some air fryer wings. Okay, and this is the Creole seasoning I added to the chicken 24 hours ago, along with some buttermilk. Yeah, so it's been marinating for 24 hours. So now let's go to the oven. Here's my New Way Bravo XL air fryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Power on, manual air fryer. Add the minutes to it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place the wings in the oven. But first I'm gonna add what I'm gonna do is add some avocado oil to the wings and some more Creole seasoning. I added about half a teaspoon of the Creole seasoning to the wings. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close the oven. Just making some cream of broccoli to go along with dinner today. Okay, this is looking good. I just added some cream cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a tablespoon of butter, and I will have to add some sea salt. I didn't do that, but I'm gonna taste it first because cream cheese is kind of salty, so definitely want to taste it before you add any more salt. And I also added about, I would say, a 4 cup of heavy whipping cream to this and nutmeg. And that was about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. It's a delicious recipe. If you like spinach, you can do this with cabbage. You can switch it up, whatever vegetable you like. You can even do it with green beans. Air fryer just went off. It cooked for 25 minutes. It's a chicken, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I turned over the chicken at 12 and a half minutes so it can brown both sides. I had it on 400 degrees. Okay. It probably will make it a little easier to clean it up, the pan, after you finish, okay? Let me show you me eating this chicken. It is really nice and tender. It's crispy on the outside. Very good. It's really good. So if you like this air fryer chicken wing recipe, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.